Hazrat Mujahid says, Yaqzafoon means they are pelted. Dahura means outcast. Wasibu means everlasting. Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, Madhura means disgraced. It is said that Muridan means rebellious. Battakahu means he was served. Vastavzir means to move the horses at a slow pace. Bihilika means along with your riders. Arrujulu means on foot and its singular is rajal, as sahb is the plural of sahib and tajra is the plural of tajir. La'ahtanikanna means to uproot. Qarinin means Satan. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was bewitched. Laith bin Sa'ad narrates that Hisham wrote a letter to me that he heard from his father and retained it well, and he was informed by Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was bewitched, due to which he fancied that he had performed a task what he had not performed. So one day he sallallahu alaihi wasallam repeatedly invoked Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for its solution, then said, "Do you know Allah has notified me of the thing wherein lies my cure?" Two men came to me, one sat by my head, whereas the other beside my legs. One of them asked the other, "What disease has he contracted?" The other one replied, "He has been charmed." The first one asked, "Who has cast the spell on him?" The other one replied, "Labid bin Asam." The first one inquired, "How did he do so?" The second one replied, "On the comb, flax of cotton, and on the outer husk of male date." The first one asked, "Where are these things?" The second one answered, "In the Zarwan well." So the Prophet ﷺ went to that well and came back. On his return, he ﷺ told Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha that the date palm of that area were as if they were the devil's heads. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha asked, "Did you take those things out?" He ﷺ said, "No, but Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has blessed me with recovery." I apprehended that their recovery might not stir any mischief among the people. So the well was filled up with earth. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3268.